How to enable enhanced protection in Chrome safe browsing on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to boost your browser security against malicious sites and downloads. First, open the Chrome browser on your computer. After that, click on the three dots menu at the top right. From there, click on Settings. At this point, click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. In the next step, click on Security. Following this, you'll see three options for safe browsing: No Protection, Standard, and Enhanced. Once done, select Enhanced Protection. From here, this option proactively checks websites and downloads against Google's threat data in real time, offering stronger protection than Standard. At this stage, keep in mind Enhanced Protection shares more browsing data with Google to power this real-time checking, which is the trade-off for the added security. Keep in mind, if you're signed into Chrome, this also helps better protect your account from phishing attempts targeting your specific sign-in. Finally, close Settings once Enhanced Protection is selected, and it'll now actively work in the background as you browse. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable enhanced protection in Chrome safe browsing on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.